first guys come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, this is officially website, so you can download the driver. You can see here the search button and then enter your motherboard name, B760 Gaming X Generations 5, then hit enter. Then click to product. Click here on title of motherboard name. Then click to support. This is your motherboard, you can see here. Click to support. Then guys, select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 12, which one. Okay, so select any operating system, installations process same. Okay, then you can see this is VGA driver, graphic card, and this is size. Click here to download. I already started the downloading. 770. Then it is done. Just single click to open, which is downloaded. Extract tech data. So this is exe. Just double click to launch. Now this is extract first. After that, it's come to installations process. Then click to yes. So it is closed, means automatically it is done. Just close it.